part 5 because my father called again.
Yeah, like his father called her. I mean, her father called. Ow, sorry. Why do you want to kill me?
I wanted to kill you because I'm so slow.
And yeah, my brother's still asleep. I put to sleep. I hope he doesn't wake up.
And we're just beside the bed already. And we're just beside the bed right now.
Yeah, and he's asleep. Don't show him.
Okay. I'm just gonna go turn off the phone.
Yeah, phone's even using it.
We're not even using them. There's Halloween.
Oh, and I found it.
The other Halloween has been found.
Happy birthday, God. Grabe.
Happy birthday, grabe.
Happy birthday. Mag-toothbrush ka.
Grane, ang dilaw-dilaw na
Guys,
si Gran, yung pinag-uusapan namin si Granny nandun sa laro.
English na.
Ay, oo nga, no? Ikaw na mag-translate kaya sa English.
So she meant we were talking about a conversation about Granny.
Yeah, the Granny from the game.
Yeah. Here's the packaging.
Halloween card. Like, yeah, the Halloween card. Like, I'm going to get the scissors.
Hot. Halloween party. Halloween party.
No, I can't even get it.
Party.
I'm more taller than Zoe, though.
Oh my gosh.
I'm more taller than Zoe.
But when you're in the first in line.
Yeah. And I'm not sure if I'm the taller. I'm just
Ow. My head. My head hurts.
Can you actually get the curtains down?
So I won't get hurt?
Yeah.
Hey!
Or just get it off.
It's done.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Granny. Here's a
So,
toothbrush.
happy birthday.
Shove it inside your mouth.
So, happy birthday dyan sa may mga birthday. Shout out.
She said happy birthday to the ones that have birthdays.
For today's episode. So, today is September 6th? September 6th?
Maybe.
Wait, let me check if it's September 6th.
Because we're not really sure.
Oh, yeah. Congratulations that we'll have a birthday in today's episode. It's actually September 6th, 2024.
Yeah, so this is our new channel.
Yeah, new channel. But I actually uploaded my first videos in the ICT when we were coming in the ICT. I was filming that time.
Yeah, I can't.
But somebody ruined it. Somebody ruined it.
Who?
Of course. Zoe, kapag part 5 na, pag end na ng part 5, ilabas na natin yung part 1.
Oo.
That was just our secret conversation. Can you open the lamp?
Wait. I told you to wait.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Excuse me.
Oops. I should have picked this chair. What is that?
It's to get the charger.
Oh yeah.
I mean the socket to go.
For today's episode, I'm charging my phone. I'm 81% right now. So when it's 100%, I'm gonna take this charger off. Sorry, Zoe.
I'm okay. Shut up.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Ow. Wait.
Let me get it. Wait lang. Just wait, girls. Just wait.
Okay. I'm putting the charging socket here.
Jeez, Zoe.
OMG.
Wait lang, Zoe.
I'm annoyed. I'm actually annoyed.
Lapag mo ng atain dyan, Zoe.
Hey.
Zoe, can you talk to me right now?
Sorry guys. We're trying to open it. Day, wala yung pang kasya dyan, no? Wala yung pang kasya. Hindi kasya.
Tanong mo lang dito sa kita lang.
Wag na lang. Kahit wag na.
Please. May pa naman sa ito. Iba pa ba kayong ano? Tanong mo daw si Tita Lorena.
Ay, ito.
Ayan, ito yun. Ikaw na daw magsaksak, Zoe.
You forgot to turn it on.
So,
Sorry for that. Well,
yeah.
I'll be here. Can you turn on the fan just for number 1? Yeah, let me
I'm
just.
gonna be right here. Because I have the phone though. You needed the light. You needed the light most.
Oh,
Stop.
sorry.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Just live the pug life.
I'm not living the pug life. I'm not living inside a pug. Ow. Just fell. Ow. Ow.
Kind of funny.
Ow. Ow.
I'm kind of sad I have to cut Coroni.
Why?
It won't fit.
Is it a Christmas? Where's the Christmas? Is it the Christmas, I think?
Yeah,
This is
the
the
Christmas.
Christmas. This is Christmas. We need to arrange them.
Yeah, I had to cut some pieces of the Christmas tree.
Yeah, she had to cut it.
Well, at least the part where there's a name called Christmas didn't call us.
Yeah. So we're actually being ready for Christmas, maybe.
Because it's bear months.
Yeah. We're getting ready for Christmas and Easter. And Halloween, of course.
And Happy New Year and New Year.
Yeah.
New Year is my fave. But Christmas is even better.
Yeah. Just joking. Sorry, just joking.
I actually... There. It's blank, right?
Yeah.
Kinda awesome.
Wait. Kinda awesome. No. Kinda awesome. Zoe, just make some.
Yes, sir!
Here is actually the packaging. Here's our Sanrio. Wait, let me write down it. Where's the marker?
Put Sanrio.
Sanrio.
Sanrio is actually,
Blind bag. Can you give me a sticker of a Sanrio? All of them.
It might be in the drawer.
Oh yeah, here. You're gonna take
Who's the other rabbit?
this one. I don't know who's the other rabbit. Oh yeah. No. Pumper is not right there. I'm gonna get Cinnamoroll because she's right there.
Where's Cinnamoroll folded?
I don't know. Pikachu, Hello Kitty, Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty's the start, right?
Yeah. Here. Really
Hey, forgot. Oh yeah, you already put Kuromi.
No. I'm gonna put
And
Kurumi.
who's this doggy?
This one.
Pikachu.
Yeah.
This yellow.
Pumper is not right here.
Pompompree.
Pumperin.
Yeah, just add. He just has to be that. Well, I
We
mean,
needed to
she's-
put the others. These. Of course. These.
I love when I.
I'm going to
Get some
pack,
real.
okay? I'm the one who's going to pack. Maybe this is just only for 15.
I thought it was for 10.
Yeah, maybe let's higher the price so we're not even lugi.
Okay.
Need it 15.
Then-
Who's gonna keep the money?
You were the one that decided it.
Wait, is there another one here? Numeral. What is this? This is Halloween though. Never saw that.
Wait, where's this again?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then let's give them some free other stickers.
Okay, that's my packing.
No, Kurami ripped. And she also ripped.
Let me fix this. When I'm done fixing it, I should fix
Where's the scissors? I'm going to put this. Sorry guys, we can't talk to you. We're so busy. So
Yeah, it's kinda hard to be a vlogger,
yeah.
as you have
I'm gonna
to
give
talk
them
while
this long.
doing it.
Yeah. This is kind of hard, and
It's easy and hard at the same time.
yeah, it's easy and hard at the same time. Even though we're Filipino.
The Filipinos has many people that loves TikTok.
Yeah, and then the Philippines is the best country ever. Like
Yeah, my favorite country.
it has El Nido, Bakersfield, some beaches, Boracay Island, yeah, and more.
Yeah. You can even try
Then
even
next.
more foods like street foods,
Yeah, street foods, and then fast foods is very
popular.
Yeah, very popular.
If you want any kind of English products, you might go to Manila.
Yeah.
And if you want to try to go to a museum.
Oh yeah. Wait, do you have a museum?
Do you have a museum in Palawan?
I think we don't have any museum.
You don't have a museum in Palawan.
Just maybe. Just search in Google if there ask Google if there any museum in the Palawan, Philippines. Maybe you don't know the spelling of the Philippines though.
Pilipimpinim!
No. I'm just gonna put it in the caption below. Like below. Down there.
Ow.
Yeah, below.
And you're crushing me.
Just please subscribe. Subscribe! I'm gonna hit her.
Ow.
Ow.
It's tickling me.
Don't work. Don't work already. Mag-work ka na dyan. Kasi I'm
Oh, it's gonna off screen. Sorry for that. Sanria is so cute.
Sanrio is so cute that you can't even stand the cuteness of them.
Yeah, my friend actually saw this. To my melody. Sorry, can't delete. Too cute to delete.
But there's no cute. It's always emo.
Huh?
Nah.
It's a cinnamon roll girl working with a Chromie girl.
So we have this blind bag. She is the one who's gonna keep this because this is her house, though.
Yeah, and every time she gets something from from something creative, her mother calls it nonsense.
Yeah. Even though it's very beautiful.
Yeah, like stickers.
What?
Homemade stickers. Does she even throw homemade stickers?
Yeah. She's kind of desperate.
Yeah, your mother's kind of strict as mine, but my mom doesn't even throw things that I have.
But actually, this part is actually
Wait,
getting.
let me open this for a sec.
These videos is actually going until part 10 maybe.
Yeah, then you find more videos. Yeah, wait, I'm gonna get a new freebie.
Yeah, she's gonna get a new freebie.
Yippee!
You still have these? Still have these, and I gave her this. Wait, this is the one they did?
No, I think this was her. This is what my mother bought me.
Maybe. Let's just.
Yeah, I think yours was like the container was purple.
No, I didn't give you a container that is purple. I gave you pink.
Oh. Did it have 4 colors?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe it is from. Okay. Okay, I think
Let's just.
that's enough freebies for one bag.
Yeah.
Go get the glue.
Wait. Let me give them like this. I'm gonna give them these.
Just to make
Blank one.
The one with no sticker. And actually, you can. In fun fact, the blank. If you get a blank, like this blank, you can actually turn it into a a paper nail.
Yeah, you can turn it into a paper nail. Like just we did. These are paper nails. I'm gonna draw myself.
Stop! You're drawing on me.
Nuh-uh, I'm drawing myself.
Yes, so.
So you already know what is inside here. Oh wait, we forgot to put something. Forgot to put to say if it's legendary or no. Is it legendary?
Yeah, you can just check. You can just put it at the back.
Here. Wait. Common. Wait, I'm going to flap this. Common. Rare. Epic. Leg.
I hope the part of the ghost doesn't come off.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, I know the part of the ghost is gonna fall off. But I did have to do it. Legendary. Why is common only is the only word without cursive writing?
Oh yeah. Epic.
Okay. In every video, I see no epic.
This is epic. They can't see through here because it's this is where it have.
So what's...
Maybe my dad is gonna call soon. In the end of this part 5, we're going to post the part 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're still not gonna post the
for
5.
real?
Yeah. We're gonna post this on YouTube so we can have subscribers. So just please subscribe so we can have more.
We're just a new channel. We just started from earlier to now.
Yeah. Just please subscribe.
Please, we're begging you.
Please, we're begging you.
Just kidding.
Yeah, I'm gonna click that. So we already have
gosh, too big.
Sanrio blind bag.
Just wait for the
epic
Halloween blind bag.
Epic. I actually have the Sanrio bag. So where should we put this?
Off screen.
Just wait a minute. I needed to get something upstairs. Wait lang.
Just stand on the chair.
Oops. Wait, do you have this one, the PS5? This one?
No, that's not a PS5.
What's this?
It's an old game controller.
Wait, do you actually have a TV that can control this?
We have this kind of, I know that part.
Don't spin it.
That can control. If you suck it, you will connect to and including the old Street Fighter.
Can you actually play?
Yeah, I'll pala to my mama later.
Wait, you have a colorful keyboard?
That's my mother's.
And you have other mouses?
Yeah.
You're gonna play that. What is that actually called?
Huh?
What is that actually called?
Game controller.
Yeah. This is for Christmas. Where's the Halloween? The other Halloween. Is this it?
Just call it events.
Okay.
Not Halloween because there's some you mix literal Christmas in Halloween.
Yeah. Wait, how did you actually do that? Like that?
No, like this.
Oh no, not there. Wait, like that? No, it should be like here. Wait, nalilito ako. Dito na lang.
Off screen.
Dito na lang.
We'll just use the off screen for just in case.
Like that?
Ako nga.
How about let's put this as a freebie?
No, my mom will get angry.
Is this yours?
No. That's my mom's.
How about let's put the B1 as a freebie?
No, my mom will get angry still. Because that's...
How about let's get this as a freebie?
Yeah, maybe.
But we're gonna taas the price. 25. It will be 25. Unicorn blind bag.
Blind bags. What about 20?
Sure, 20. How much did you buy this though? Can you ask your mother? Ari Ono and Soshing Ono. You actually have this. Let me see.
What about we put a freebie in there?
Why did you do this?
Just cover. Kuromi lovers stalking it.
Bro. What is this?
Let me look.
Animal Fun.
Oh, it's a
Crash.
crow. Why do you even have this?
Yeah. When I was 5 years old, I have this. But it actually broke. It actually been sira since I was 7. Change my load, I want chance to find true love.
Bakbak!
We're still in 84% though. Maybe let's put this
Can
as a
you-
baby.
No, my mom will still getting everything that she gave to me. She'll get mad if I give it.
This one?
Yeah.
Like this one?
Yeah.
This one?
It's not even mine. That's my brother's, and you.
This one?
Yeah, maybe.
We can make it as a freebie.
Mhm.
Is there more banana cue there?
That's Kamote Q, not Banana Q.
If there's more, can I have some?
Yeah.
Are there more? Wait, guys, I'm still gonna eat. What is it called again?
Kamote Q.
Yeah. 10 pieces of kamote cube.
Pe, can you
What?
turn on the lights? I mean, turn on the lights. Open. Don't close never close the.
Let's close it.
No.
So you can
Don't close this thing. Don't close the door.
Oh yeah, I said it. Sorry guys, be right back. See you at part 6. I mean part 5, that's not part 6. This is only half of part 5. So guys, for today, we're going to upload the part 1 to 5. So this is the last video, so goodbye. See you next in part 6. Yeah, at part 6. Bye!